In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a project to Behance. We'll go through all the steps from preparation to publishing so you can showcase your work effectively and impressively. First, let's get started by signing into your Behance account. It's important to ensure that you're logged in so you have access to all the necessary tools. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Share Your Work button right at the top of your Behance homepage. Click on it, and you'll see a choice. Go ahead and select Project to begin your new upload. Now comes the creative part, adding and arranging your content. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Add Content panel. This is where you can really let your creativity shine by uploading images, videos, embeds, or text. You can even import your work directly from Lightroom or Creative Cloud for added convenience. As you're uploading, remember that you can rearrange your items at any point by simply hovering over them, clicking the blue edit icon, selecting reorder, and then dragging them into your desired sequence. This flexibility allows you to tell your story just the way you want. When uploading media, it's crucial to follow some best practices to maintain quality. For images, JPEG or PNG formats are ideal. Behance displays them at up to a 1400 pixel width in normal view and 2800 pixels in Lightbox, so make sure they're sized appropriately. Keeping your file sizes under 10 MB by each is important, with a maximum of 50 MB overall. And don't forget to convert your images from CMYK to RGB to make sure the colors appear as vibrant as possible. For videos and audio, you can upload directly using the Files button, but if you're aiming for a full-width display, embedding through YouTube or Vimeo often looks cleaner and is more user-friendly. With all your content in place, it's time to set up your project settings. Click Continue or navigate to the Settings section where you can begin to organize these essential details: your cover image, title, creative field, and tags. For example, if your project falls under graphic design or illustration, be sure to tag it accordingly. This will help your project reach the right audience. Additionally, there are some optional settings that you might want to configure, such as including a project description, adding credits, setting co-owners, defining licensing terms, and marking any adult content if necessary. Before your project makes its debut, use the preview option to meticulously check your layout, spelling, and visuals. This is your chance to make any final tweaks. Then, once everything is just as you envisioned, it's the moment you've been waiting for. Click Publish to set your project live for the world to see. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to uploading your project on Behance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present your creative work at its very best.